All right, we're back on for math. Multiplying math today, of course. We did multiplying by 2 yesterday. Today is multiplying by 3s, okay? So remember that multiplying is just repeated addition. So it's a number plus itself over and over again. So it's just a shorter way of doing it. Okay. So yesterday we did 2's. So we had 4 times 2. And when it was times 2, we thought of 4 plus 4. Okay? Today is going to be this, or the book, hold on, the book also said, or you could do 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 4 times. So remember, you can do either one. I just think that adding the bigger one is a little bit quicker. So we have 4 plus 4, that would be 8. But what about 4 times 3? Okay, so we can say 4 sets of 3. We can add 3 a bunch of times there. Or we could add 3, we could do 4 3 times. Now, way back at the beginning of the year, we tackled a difficult task of counting by 3s and 4s. This could help you right now. I won't say we got really super great at that, but if you would like, if that works in your math mind, do that. 3, 6, 9, 12, or 4, 8, 12, if that's smooth. Or you can just think 3 plus 3, 6. Plus 3 more, 9. Plus 3 more, 12. Okay, so, and this is just 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4 is 12. So we have 3 groups of 4, or 4 groups of 3, and that is going to be 12. Okay, now, this is kind of similar, so I feel like I'm doing the same thing. So 1 times 3, let's just run through the 3's. Okay, oops. Okay, so remember, we have factor times a factor equals a product. So one group of 3 would just be 3. Times 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 3 groups of 2, plus 2 plus 2, or just 2 groups of 3, 3 plus 3, that would be 6. 3 times 3, 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 more, that's 9. 4 times 3, we just did that. I think it wants you in our book to do 4 groups of 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, and that is 12. 5 plus 3, we can do that easy with our 5s. 5, 10, 15. Okay, 5 3 times. 6 times 3. It's easier for me to, instead of, you can count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Or you could do 6 3 times. Whichever is easiest for your math mind, do what's easier. So 7 3 times, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. 8 3 times 8, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. I'm going to try to post some math multiplication videos too, so you can get that in your mind. Also, let's do our other ones. 9 times 3. 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. It's getting high now. 10 times 3, that's easy. 10, 20, 30. Okay? So when we're doing our page today, you are writing the product of our times 3 multiplication fact. So let's look at your paper. This is page 133, 5.3, multiply 3's. So on the top one, number 1, you're going to count the sides of the triangles and fill in the blanks and then add, because remember, multiplying is just adding multiple times. So how many sides on each triangle? 3. So you're going to fill all of those blanks in 3 sides plus 3 sides plus 3 sides plus 3 sides equal 3, 6, 9, 12. 12. And the multiplication sentence is, how many 3's did we add? 4 groups of 3 sides equals 12. Okay? They're showing you how you're translating that into multiplication. So now we're going to write the products. And we did these already. So 1 times 3 is 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3. 2 times 3 is just 2 groups of 3. 3, 3, 6. 6. Okay, so you're going to go through there. Use your counting by 3's, or adding the 3's over and over again, or using the bigger numbers to add. Either way works. 4 groups of 3 or 3 groups of 4, whatever's easiest for your math mind. Or you can go back to practicing counting by 3's. All right, on the bottom, it gives you a little story. It says, Simon and Garrett each earn a sticker for washing dishes after each meal. If they eat 3 meals a day for a week, how many stickers will each boy earn, and how many all together? So we have 2 boys, Garrett and Simon. So how many days are in a week? 7. You are right. Let's start with the multiplication sentence. 7 days in a week times how many meals? 3 meals, and they get 1 sticker for each meal. So that's 3, 7 days in a week times 3. And now to show that, this is what they want you to do in the addition sentence, is add 3 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm going to have to go to the next line, 6, 7. So they want you to put all of those 3 plus 3 plus 3 7 times, and then you can count 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So both boys got that. You only have to write the addition sentence 1 time, but both boys got 3 stickers for 7 days. And then they want you to add that together. 1 times 1, or 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 42. So 42 altogether. That's what you should have down for number 3 and 4. Just write the addition once, but the multiplication twice, and add together. Okay, now on the back, you are going to use your number lines to help you count. There's the count by 3 number line, and you can solve using like the jump technique, okay? Then you're going to write the clocks and the times on the clock, and then for number 10, you have to write how many clocks and how many hands and how many all together. And you are going to do the review of comparing those numbers, and they're pretty easy numbers, so you should be great at that. All right, don't get tricked. You're great mathematicians.